In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add buys to bracket tournaments. In a sports tournament, a buy means a player or team skips a round. In single elimination tournaments, top players might get a buy, or it's used to fit the number of players into a neat bracket. In round-robin tournaments, where everyone plays each other, a buy happens when there's an odd number of players, so everyone can't play at the same time. Adding a buy is quite straightforward. Simply go to the Participants section and enter the details for a participant. Here, you can toggle the entry to a buy. You will see the participant's name changed to buy. This indicates that when the round ends, the opposing participant will automatically advance to the next round. Remember to save all your changes. And that's it. For more tips and how-to videos, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bracketing!